Assalamu alaikum students, how are you all? I hope that all of you will be safe and healthy. My name is Ma'am Sumbal. I am the teacher of class KG from the Educator School. Today I will teach you the subject of maths. Look at this book. It's your maths book, Falcon Mathematics. Now we will open this book. Look at the heading Unit 1. It is Unit 1. The name of Unit 1 is Numbers and Operations. What is the Unit 1? Numbers and Operations. Now turn your page and look at this page. Recognition and writing of numbers. Recognition and writing of numbers. All of you know about the numbers, that how we can read and write the numbers. So at the beginning we will write the numbers from 0 to 20. As we can read this question right from 0 to 20, there are columns. You will write numbers from 0 to 20 in these columns. Now look at this page. I am writing the numbers. You will follow that pattern and you will solve this page by yourself. 0, then we will write number 1. Then what comes after number 1? 2, then 3, then we will write 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Its first column which I have completed 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then look down the second column. 10 is written here. So we will write the next number which comes after 10. It's number 11, number 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and number 20 is written here. Okay, so I have solved this page for you. You all will follow this pattern and do as like it. Okay, now look at the next page. What is a question? Join two boxes which have the same number of objects. So you have to count the objects in the boxes and you will match the boxes with another box which have the same number of objects. Look at the first box. There are how many objects? 1, 2, 3 and 4. We will search the box which have the same number of objects. So is there 4 objects? No. Is there 4 objects? No, there are 3 objects. Yes, there are 4 stars in this box. So we will match like this. Understand? Now I will match the other boxes. There are, look at the B box. There are 2 objects in this box. So we will find the box with the 2 objects. So look at this box. There are 2 turtles in the box. So we will draw a line like this. Understand? Now look at the C box. How many objects are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we will search the box which have the 8 objects. No, no. Yes, this one match with this box. So we will draw a line to match them. Now there are how many objects? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 objects in D box. So I will match with this box. Yes, there are also 6 objects in the first box. So we will match it like this. Now count these objects. How many fishes are there? 3. So I will match this box with this box. Both boxes have the 3 objects. So we will match it like this. I hope that all of you will understand how to do these 2 pages.